Book of Duchess, like all of Chaucer's work, is written in Middle English, well before spelling was standardized by the poet, writer, and lexicographer. Samuel Johnson, 1709 to 1784, wrote the first English dictionary. Words are spelled as they sound, and the poem is written to be read aloud. Now we will read the line there in the poem of Book of Duchess. The first line starts from, I have great wonder be this light. How that I live for day and night. I may not sleep well night to night. I have so many an idle thought, purely for default of sleep, that my tough I take no keep of nothing how it come or go, ne me this nothing leave nor know. All is age good to me, joy or sorrow where that be. For that I have feeling is nothing, but as it were a mess thing. Always in point to fall a dawn, for sorrow imagination is always hollow in my mind. And when we vote against Cain, it were to live in the wise. For nature won't not suffer, to noon earthly creature, not long time to endure. Line 20 is over. Without sleep and being in sorrow, and I now may a night ne marrow. Sleep unders melancholy, and read I have for thee to die. The note of sleep and heaviness hath slain my spirit of quakeness, that I have lost all lusted, such fantasies been in my hand. So I not what is best to do, but men might ask me, why so? I may not sleep what we is, but headness so as this less is asking truly. Million can't tell why the sooth, but truly as I guess. I hold hit by the sickness that I have suffered these 8 years, and yet my boot is never the near, for there is physician but known, that may be healed but not in dune. Pass me over until be left, that will not be mute need be left. A first matter is good to keep, so when I saw might not sleep. Till late this other night, upon my bed I sat upright, and bade one reach me a book, a romance, and he it me took, to read the day the night away, for me thought it better way. The plain either at chess or table, and in this book were written fables, that clerks heed in old time, and other poets put in rhyme to read and for it me in mind. While men love the law of kind, this book may speak but of such thing, of queen of leaves and of kings, and many other things small. Among all this I found a tale. Line number 60 is over. That me thought a wonder thing. This was the tale. There was a king that had says and had a hip. The best thing might bear live, and this queen had Alcon. Line number 65 is over. So it befell after thereafter soon this king would walden over sea, to tell shortly what that he was in the sea, thus in the ways. So the tempest gone to rose, that blank her mast and made it fall. The clipped her ship and ran them tail, that never was found in it tells, bony man be nothing else. Right the king says lose his life, now for to speak on of his wife. This lady that was left at home had wondered that the king no come, whom for it was a long term, and on her had gone to them, and for that her thought to overwhelm. It was not well so, she longed so after the king that crass hit were the piteous thing, to tell her hardly sorrowful life, that he'd alas this noble wife, for him she loved elder best. Anon she sent both east and west, to seek him, but they found not. Alas, quoted she, that I was wrought. Alas, quoted she, that I was wrought, the line number 90. And where my lord my love be deed, catches I nil never ate breed. It's an important line. She never eat up to the time when she see her beloved. Where my lord my love be deed, catches I never ate bread. I make a vow to my God here, but I move of my lord here. Such sorrow this lady to her took, and truly I which made this book have sweet pity switch root to rid the sorrow that by truth I fed read the words that they move after to thinken o'er her soul. So when she could hear no sound, and no man might hide her lord, for often she wounded, she said, alas, for sorrowful night would she was, and she could no read but noon. But down on it she sat noon, and weep that pipe was here. All mercy, sweet lady dear, could she to Juno her goddess. Help me out of the distress, and give me grace, my lord, to see sun or white where so he be, or how he fought, or what in was. And I shall make you sacrifice, and wholly yours become I shall, with God will, body, head, and all. But thou wilt this, lady sweet, send me grace to sleep, and meet in my sleep some comfort spend, where through that I may know even whether my lord be quick or dead. With that word she hung down the heat, and fell as swollen as cold as stone. Her women caught her up noon, and broadened her head, bathed all naked. And she wept and walked, was weary, and this did sleep full on her she took keep. Through Juno, that had heard her bone, that made her sleep sound. For she prayed, so was done. Indeed, for Juno right known, called thus her messenger, to do her errand, and he come near. When he was come, she bade him thus to get good Juno to Morpheus, thus knowest him well, the god of sleep. Now understood well and take keep, say thus on my half that he go fast into great sea, and bid him that on all thing he take up serious body the king, that kelt full pale and no thing rowdy, bid him creep into his body, and do it gone to Alcon, the queen there she let alone, and shewn her shortly hit sir no nay. Now it was dreamt this other day, and do the body speak so, right as it was on do. The whales that it was on live, go now fast and they bibe. This messenger took leave and went upon his way, and never he sent it till he come on the dark valley, that stand between rock twile, there never net grow corn he grass. No tree, no nothing, that was best, no man, no nothing else, save there were a few walls, came running of the cliffs down, that made a deadly sleeping swan. Around and down, right by the cave, there was under a rocky grave, amid the valley wonder deep, there goddess live and sleep. Morpheus and Elempastria, that was the god of sleep's higher. In higher goddess name is, sleep goddess name is Elempastria, that sleep and did on other week. This cave was also as dark as hell pit over the absolute. They had good luster for to root, to envy who might sleep bestie, some hench her chin upon her bestie, and sleep upright her head, and some lay naked in her bed, and sleep well days laced. His messenger come flying fast, and cried, oh no, awaken noon. It was for tonight, and there hid him none. Awake, quaid he, who is he led there? And blew his horn right in the air, and cried, "Awake, wonder, ha! This god of sleep with his cone, yeah. Cast up asked, who kept there? Hit am I quit this messenger. Juno bade those sounders gone, and told him what he should done. As I have told you theretofore, it no need hears it more. And went his way where he had said, and on this god of sleep bright, out of the sleep and gone, and did as he had bade him down, took him up the gentry body sown, and bare it both to Alcon. His wife the queen there she lay, right in a quarter before day, and stood right a bare bedless fate, and called her right as she had. My name and said, my sweetie wife, awaken, let me share sorrowful life, for in your sorrow there light no need, for cried sweetie, I mean I that dead. You shall be never on lie you see, but good sweetie had look at you, bury my body at which a tide, you hid find the sea beside, and farewell sweetie my wordless desire. I pray to God your swanless list, to lead by our bestie list, with that hair upon this castle, and saw tonight quit she for swearer. The delight within the turtle more, for she said more in that tow. I may not tell so as now, it were too longer for to dwell. My first material I will you tell, where I have told this thing. As Alcon and sees the king, for this mochi door I say well. I had be dwell and every dell, and did ride through difty of sleep, if I ne'd ran and taken keep of his tail next before. And I won't tell you therefore, for I knee might for grant me bail. Sleep nor I had read this tale, of this didn't says the king. And of the goddess of sleeping, when I had read this tale well, and overlooked every day, methought wonder if it were so, for I had never heard speak or do of goddess that case make, men for to sleep, nor for to wake, for I knew never God but noon, and in my game I say the noon, and it me list right evolved to play, rather than I should day, through default of sleeping thus, I would you take Morpheus, or his goddess Dame Juno, or some weightless I would who, to make me sleep have some rest. I will give him the alba best, if that ever be outdid his life, and ever had him breath right now as being. If he won't make me sleep a little, a down of pure dove's white, I will give him a feather bed, ride with gold and right have clad in fine black satin demure. I may any a pillow every bare of cloth of raisins the slept soft, him not new to tearing oft. And I will have him at the palace of the chamber, and all his hairs I will do paint with pure gold, and tap it them fully many fold. Of so sweet this shall be have, wise there gave, and if he can make me sleep soon. As said the goddess Alcyone, and thus I like God Morpheus, may wine of me no fewis that thus ever be van, and to Juno of his goddess I shall do so, and throw that shall hold her prayer, and had until that word say. Right thus as I told it yo, that solemnly Inez house which a lust unknown I took, to sleep the right upon my book I fell asleep therewith ever. Ma'am, so inly sweet as well and so wonderful that never hit. I trow no man handled the wit to calmly well my sweat and dread. No, not loppish without greed of HT he that read so king meeting Pharaoh. No one then could the lesty of us, he not sarcastically Macrobus, he that wrote Ortesian, and he meet King Scorpion. The noble man, the African, switch marvelous fortune then. I truly read my dreams even, lo this was my Sleven.